Hello guys, welcome back to Zin Stuff channel. So how you guys are doing? I hope everybody is good and safe. Guys, today's video I'm gonna show you guys a quick snack recipe using sweet potato. So sweet potato masala French fries. So who doesn't like French fries, right? So this is gonna be really easy and simple, and it's very tasty, healthy and everything, because sweet potato is full of fiber, so it's really good for your health. So let's get started guys. It's gonna be really quick, okay? So yeah, let's get started with no further ado. And guys, if you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the bell icon nearby so that you guys will be instantly notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. Let's get started guys. So for this you will need sweet potatoes. So I have taken some 3 sweet potatoes here, and now I'm gonna peel the skin of it. So the one thing you have to be careful about this is that as you peel the skin, you have to immediately put it inside the water, otherwise the color of the sweet potato will change. It will just become some black color thing, it will get a black color coating over it. So immediately as you peel the skin, you can just put it inside the water. So here you can see the color of the sweet potato started changing because I didn't put inside the water still. So it started to change to a white and a black color kind of thing. So now as I peel it off completely, I'll just put it inside the water. So this is a very common thing with the potatoes. So it's okay if at all it changes its color, because that's not gonna affect the taste, so it's fine. So here I'm again peeling the other one, and yeah. And now let's cut it into pieces. So it should be in the shape of like finger length square shaped ones, because it's basically French fries. So it should have such a shape, and I'm just putting them into the water because it will change its color. So you can see here, so this is okay, but the other one, it has already changed the color and it's like black. So this is how you have to cut. So it should be in the shape of this. So one sample I'll do for you. So here I'm just cutting it in this size, and I'll just slice it. So it should not be like very thin also, so medium consistency, okay? So we know the texture of the French fries, right? So it should be in such a way. It should not be very thin, it should be thick. Not very thick, but then yeah, little bit thicker. So this is the way you have to cut the pieces. So here our French fries are getting ready. So here if you see, my cutting work is over, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to strain the water and add it with some masalas, because we are going to deep fry it in oil. So let me marinate it. So first I'll add some 2 spoons of chili powder, and then some 1 or like half a spoon of turmeric powder, and then I'll add some 2 to 3 pinches of cumin powder, jeera powder, and then salt as per your taste. So here I'm adding little more of salt because I'm just gonna add a pinch of sugar as well. So that when you eat, you just get a good blend of all these spices, and it just gives you an amazing flavor. So it's really important that you add some sugar in it. So this is must because this will just give an enhanced, taste to the French fries. So definitely don't forget to add sugar in it. You get a mix of spiciness, salt, sugar, a very different taste, and it's very very yummy, guys. So try this way, and just mix all the ingredients really well, and then keep it aside for 10 minutes, and then we can just deep fry in the oil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep a pan and put some oil in it, and let's put all the pieces of this sweet potatoes in it. And the thing about sweet potato is that it will not need much of the time to fry. It just needs some 4 to 5 minutes maximum, that's it. So it's very time consuming, and this will not absorb much of the oil also, so you can just fry and you can like eat it. It's very tasty. So after some 1 to 2 minutes you can just turn it upside down. I mean, you can just give a mix. So yeah, let it fry. And by now our sweet potato French fries are ready to be served. So you can either have this with some hot tea or coffee, or if you want you can have this as a side dish for your rice as well, because it's very tasty. It's a perfect side dish as well. So you can just have it. It's very crispy from outside and it's very juicy from inside. So tasty, guys. And you also have a lot of health benefits in sweet potatoes. It's like full of fiber, so it's very healthy and it's very good for your health as well. So have this once, and if you like have this once at least, you will feel like having it every time. So that's what I'm doing basically now, and it's more similar to the ones which we get from McDonald's, that plain potato French fries. I think this is more tastier than that because it has a kind of like natural sweetness in it, so it's very tasty. So it's very easy to prepare as well because we are not adding any extra flour in it. So just masalas and sweet potatoes directly onto the oil. So yeah, so it's very tasty, healthy, and you guys can try this. So first just transfer it to some tissue paper so that the excess oil will just go off, and then you can just have it. So look at it, guys, the most tastiest, yummiest, healthiest and very easy to prepare sweet potato French fries are ready. So do try this and let me know in the comment section whether you guys like this or not. Okay guys? I hope this video was useful and definitely you guys would have liked this recipe. So if it was, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.